In daily use, the auto-leveling is a dream. I haven't touched a piece of leveling paper or a hex key since I unboxed it. I just poured in the resin, hit print, and it worked. The 12K or 16K on the newer revision monochrome screen produces details that are, quite frankly, overkill for most people. Even under a magnifying glass, the skin textures on my miniatures looked skin smooth with zero visible layer lives. I tested this in a chilly 16 degrees Celsius garage, which is usually a recipe for resin failure. The integrated vat heating, available on the 16K Ultra version, was a lifesaver, keeping the resin at a consistent 30 degrees Celsius. It does take about 15 minutes to warm up before the print starts, but the reliability gain is worth the wait. It's significantly more consistent than the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s, which I found to be more finicky with its leveling-free system in cold weather.